Student, how are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm very well, thank you. So today, before starting today's lesson, let's pray according to our respective religion and belief. Prayer begins. Enough. Okay, is anyone absent today, guys? Okay, complete yes. So today we will learn about characteristic quadratic function. In the previous meeting, you have learned about quadratic function. This is the general form of quadratic function y equals to ex squared plus ba plus c. And with a and c, it's not equals 0 and y is a variable. So it can be written as fa equals to ex squared plus ba plus c. Okay, next there are two ways to graph a quadratic function, with method 1 and with method 2. First, with method 1, look at the form of the quadratic equation that will be created. Second, create a table of quadratic function. Third, place the coordinate point in the table on the coordinate line. And fourth, sketch a graph by connecting the coordinate point. So, you have learned method 1 in the previous meeting. I hope you remember it. Today we will learn to draw the graph of quadratic function using the geometry application with method 2. This form of group consisting of two students. In each group, you will define a student block share. You will identify the value of A affect to the shape of graph of a quadratic function. Question 1. What is the shape of the graph of a quadratic function if A more than 0 or A less than 0? And then number 2, what happened to the graph of a quadratic function if the value of A is increased? It's often the student block set. In the student block set, several quadratic function equation has been provided. So, first, you will identify the value of A received from the equation. For example, equation B, fa equals x squared negative 2a negative 3. So, we know that value of A is 1, the value of B is negative 2, and the value C is negative 3. So, this image of the GeoGebra applet that you will use. After you determine the value of A received from quadratic function equation, you will enter the value of A received in here. For example, in here, A is equal to negative 2, B is equal to negative 1, and C is equal to 3. And then the shape of the graph of a quadratic function. Observe and pay attention to the shape of resulting quadratic function graph. Any questions, student? Okay, if you don't exist yet, we can start working on it. Thank you. So, we can conclude that from the today's lesson, the value of A in the function y equals to ex squared plus ba plus c will affect the shape of the graph. First, if A more than 0, then the graph will open upward. The graph will open upward if A more than 0. And then, second, if A less than 0, then the graph will open downwards. The graph will open downwards if A less than 0. And number 3, if A more than 0 and the value of A is bigger, then the graph will get thinner. And number 4, if A less than 0 and the value of A is getting smaller, the flatter it will be. I have the function graph like this. If the function graph like this means the value of R is getting bigger than the graph is getting thinner. So, if I have the graph like this means the value of A is getting smaller and then the graph is giving figure. Okay students, thank you for your attention. Keep healthy, keep spirit, and see you next time. Good afternoon.
Afternoon.